Welcome, in front of me is OnePlus Nord 5, and in this video I will show you what to do if your phone doesn't detect a SIM card. So the first thing that we can do in such case is remove a SIM card. So face the bottom edge of your smartphone to you. Then carefully remove a SIM card and check if it's installed like this. Let me remove it quickly. Okay, so just grab your SIM card slot like this and then place the SIM card inside this way. Slightly push it inside so that it sits. Okay, and right now let's reinsert it into the phone in this way. Okay, and now check if your phone started seeing your SIM card. Give it a moment. Okay, and as you can see, my phone already does see my SIM card. But if this didn't help you, then in such case, try to clean your SIM card with a soft cloth and then put it back inside. Now if this doesn't help you either, then try to test your SIM card in another phone, and if it works in another phone, then check for the software updates on your OnePlus Nord 5. Go to the settings, then select system and update, then select software update, and check if your device has any updates to install. And if it does, please take your time and install all the required updates, and then check if your SIM card started being detected. Now if it didn't, then reset your network settings. To do that, go to backup and reset phone, then reset network and Bluetooth settings. Now this will also reset, of course, your networks that you are automatically connected to, so you'll have to reconnect to them again once you do that. Also, you'll have to reconnect to all your paired Bluetooth devices. Well, once you're ready, just click reset and see if this helps you. And now if this doesn't help, then the last thing that I can suggest is that you contact your carrier and check for the outages, because this might not be your problem, but might be the problem on the side of the carrier. And I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.